but I'm coming. They said I got it, but they are the people. You're my friend. My friend, this is hard. He hears his mom. No, sir. After staying here, if I didn't sell this my fine wine, if I go home now and drink it, people will say I'm not party with the drunk. This is my reason.
I'm not party, don't worry. That one won't be problem. See, this one now, I will buy some. I will buy some. But before then, give me 30.
Why? I will give you 30. My friend.
It's good. It's tasty.
It will be tasty. From Equatorial Guinea, that's where I started typing it. Why don't you have container? Because it's important for us too.
No problem. As soon as I get home, turn the wine, I will turn the gun off.
You give me money first.
Some money, I will give you.
Give me. Don't worry. It's very important. You will not have to.
Ijoma, what is the meaning of this? You are really looking for my trouble in this village. One day now, you will find it.
You, give me trouble. You, Joy, give me trouble. This village, one day. No, I don't want to wait for that one day to come. I want it right now, right here. So after warning you to stay away from Obi, my guy, you refused. You sampled this your useless button before him. So you want to steal my guy? Boyfriend snatcher. Hey, after beating that stupid feelings away from you today, you gonna find your own boyfriend. Idiot like
Jesus, you slapped me. My friend, stop there. Oh, you want to fight us, Abi? You're not even scared of us, eh? Now, I'm tear you into shred now. Oh, you didn't ask questions. So, you know Uncle's farm. You are collecting firewood up here. So, you want to fight us again? Get a big cane, because we do it that today. No, you are not doing that. Peter! Don't even let me here.
I will put hot iron in that your ocean. Since you want something that will enter you, it's yours. And I'll put that this thing. She's not sampling this at all.
Next time. Idiot. That's why you stupid.
Said you okay, your father did not come because I did not come in time.
He went out, he's coming back.
Okay. Theo, thank you. You're a man of your word. You kept your word. Thank you. You're a true man.
You know I cannot say the same thing about you, okay?
I don't understand what you are talking to you. What have I done to you?
You sold me a colored water instead of palm wine. Why?
Theo, I did not understand you. What pine wine, pine drink? What is that?
Hey! This is not an Apache wax wine. You tested it before you bought it, didn't you?
Yes, I did. But this is not what I tested.
Anna Apache, what do you say about this?
There's nothing I will not see in this town. If it was when I was in Equatorial Guinea, this thing would not happen. It was there that I started tapping wine. And this is the reason why they call me cocaine. Theo, this is not my wine and it can't be. Where did you get it from?
So I'm lying. You mean a man like me will lie with a thing like this?
Theo, it is very possible that you are lying. Because this thing has not happened here before.
So I'm lying.
If you tested the wine and it's so good and you don't have money to buy it, and you can come back now and then we will talk about money. But not to guy me. A guy man cannot guy a guy man. Me and
Uncle Tio, what is the problem?
Would you want to ask your useless father? Anna Apache, No problem. You can keep the money and the useless water you gave me on behalf of wine. No problem. God will judge you.
Tio, it is you God will judge, not me. It is you that take my wine to your house, put water inside the gallon and bring it back and say it's water. So it is you God will judge.
Papa, I know Uncle Tio very well now. He won't do that. He won't. I know him.
Ujunwa, you did not know Uncle Tio very well. He is the man that went home and changed my wine to a water and you say you know him very well.
But Papa, wait. Do you give Obi the wine today?
Ujunwa, what kind of question is that? How can I get that Obi useless boy from a useless father? A useless mother? I cannot give him wine.
That is it. When I was coming back from school, I saw Obi and that his useless girlfriend drinking from the cage of your palm wine under that tree at Oba Square. Maybe it's Obi that turned your wine and put water inside.
Aye, what wrong have I done to have this Obiedo as a son? Obiedo, go to school with other children. He cannot go. Go to city and learn trade. He cannot go. Go to Ego Giolo and learn Basco work. He cannot go.
Thank you, Jun. Because if you do not see them now, these men, they could have think I am a thief. No problem.
I hope that your God is loaded. Because if you have not loaded it, go and load it because I'll come and borrow it for you now. And okay, go and tell Iwe because I, Anna Patowa, will kill somebody today.
Anna Patowa, that's not my business.
That's your brother. If you did not give me this time, I wish you were a boy. I could have been happy. But that one,
What a delicious food. A very delicious meal indeed. My wife is the only being in the whole world that can go into the kitchen and prepare food for the entire family of her husband. Not minding that we have a handful of professional cooks in this palace. You can imagine that.
Thank you.
This is wonderful.
Igwe, royalty or no royalty, I must go to the kitchen and prepare meals for my husband.
Can you see?
Yes.
Dad, you know what? Yeah. I hope I get a wife as good as my mom. But if I don't, I'll continue to marry and marry.
You didn't hear that? That is to say, you will marry and marry and marry until the whole palace will be filled with your wives.
Sure.
Are you King Solomon?
No, Dad.
Talking about wives. Now that you're out of school, you started working. I think it's time we introduce this girl that we've been grooming for you for years now.
Sure.
If you see this girl,
This is the time.
you will like her. She's from a very good home.
Yes.
Honestly.
Mom, this is no longer a time parents choose spouses for their children. It is ancient.
And we are ancient. Yes, we are ancient. For goodness sake, get to reason. Even the stool you are going to sit on, by the time you don't see me any longer, is ancient. Son, you must be ancient. Yes.
Why don't you relax and see this girl first? This girl, we've been grooming her for years for you. You will like her.
Sure.
If you see this girl, like I said.
And then the bed,
Honestly.
No, Mom, you see, she might be nice to you. But what about me?
See her first. You will change your mind, honestly.
Okay, Mom, I'll do that.
My son,
Yes, Dad.
No one is an island of knowledge. What I lie down and see, even if you climb the iroko tree in our compound there in the village, you may not see it. Chief Ikime.
Yes, Dad.
Beware of him. Just keep away from him. Don't mind him. Eh? He is a greedy fellow. Now I knew that he would come to you with a very old vehicle so that you would pity him.
Yes, Dad. He did come in old car.
I knew. But I want to tell you, don't mind him. You understand?
Yes, Dad.
He wants to suck our oil. And I have always refused him. So, don't ever allow him come near you, business-wise.
Dad, you see, he strikes me as a dangerous man.
He's not just a dangerous man. He's not just dangerous. He is danger personified. Son, you may not know that he leads the hoodlums. I can't ever believe that he is not a member of the gang, the notorious gang that have been terrorizing the whole community, kidnapping people around. He is shady.
Dad, you see, I'm not surprised. Not at all. But from this minute, I have to be very, very careful of him. I'll surprise you.
That's my son.
Well, Dad, I've heard you. I've heard you. I'm tired. I need to go to bed now.
Want to go and rest?
Yes, Dad. So good night.
Sweet dreams.
Yes, Dad. Catch you up in the morning.
Sweet dreams.
Oh, God.
Chief, you kill me.
Igwe, the other day, you said that you were going for a meeting at Oka that was summoned by the governor. You sent me to an errand. On my way coming back, I met an Abachoa, an useless boy in this palace. According to him, an Abachoa, he said that the useless boy that was with him is the son of your late brother Igwe, and that the boy has come to take up your throne in this palace. Igwe, stitching time saves 9.
Anapacho again in this town. It is long time Anapacho has been going around this time causing trouble. But by the time we finish with Anapacho this time, we get out of this town.
Igwe, I'm sorry to disturb you. That is so called your brother. Where that? Do you believe that he has the charge at all in this our area?
Why are you asking Igwe? Whether his brother gets picked? Which day you saw the man with his picked?
Why are you people arguing? Igwe himself is here. Let's hear from the horse's mouth. Igwe, does your brother have a child?
What? How dare you ask Igwe such question? Were you not born in this town? Were you not grown in this time? How dare you ask Igwe that kind of a question? I am surprised. Igwe, it's high time. We better do something before it is late.
Who amongst you does not know that Anapacho was a drunkard, and after drinking, he goes about doing all sorts of things? Oh no!
Igwe,
Is it why you call this meeting? I am surprised.
I am sorry, Igwe.
My sister, this our Igwe is very funny. Does it mean that you did not see anything in this accusation?
Joy.
Hey!
He saw the accusation, my sister. He saw it. It is just this one of his normal pranks. Of allowing evil to reign in this village. Who is that person in this village that does not know Ini Edo and his useless groups of friends. Snooping around this village, stealing people's things. Who is that person that don't know?
He normally does all this thing because of the Our Igwe is on point. Is it because of this small chicken that this boy stole that made Igwe to punish them like this? Why?
Joy. Yes, he should punish. In fact, in this village, the whole bad things that have been happening. How many times have you seen the Igwe and his cabinets treat the bad the way the bad is supposed to be treated? None. In this our own village, the law of our village states that any girl that gets pregnant and terminates the pregnancy eventually has committed murder. Is it not like that?
It's like that.
So tell me, Tochi got pregnant, abort the baby. Was she sent to exile?
Whose blame is for that? Is it Umuapo that did not know their job? Or Igwe? Who?
Joy. Joy.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't used to understand how you used to talk. What do you mean? Good. The Igwe is to be blamed. Moreover, my father told me that he's not the rightful person to that throne. He is not the right Igwe. But don't worry, you see soon, in this village of ours, soon, the rightful king will still mount that throne. And all the laws of our community will come to an order. But let me tell you, you see this our swagger, he has swaggered this community into confusion. This is Igwe swagger, Igwe swagger. Somebody will not hear something.
That man said.
Please, see that way. I want to reach there. You, don't
Not
talk
you,
to me.
you like waking things.
You,
this
come
girl.
and come, you will not come and come. Please go away.
Eating cane, we no go and fetch water when you know that there's no water at home. If I fetch it now, we used to wash clothes and bath.
Ini Edo, I hope you heard what your sister just said. Huh? How can she fetch water and you're here breaking cane when there's no water in the house? Better go and carry the jerrycan and fetch water to the house, because if she does and you use it to wash your clothes, I'll personally deal with it.
Mommy, deal with me. See, I don't understand it in this family. People have forgotten that I am the only future hope of this family. It's not good though. I deserve it and it should be given to me. Let it be given to me. Let my respect be given to me.
Okay. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Did you hear yourself? They did not attack him. Why not respect yourself first? Eh? I'm asking you. Have you respected yourself and somebody did not respect you? Eh? Go and take a good look at yourself in front of the mirror and see how you are. See what you're doing to yourself.
All your mates are busy there, excelling, doing very well for themselves. But what do you want? What are you doing? Nothing. You're just good for nothing. But you know one thing? I will keep on talking. Because I'm your mother. I will keep talking.
Let the whole world hear me and bear me witness that I'm telling you the truth. Trying to make you human being, but you refuse to be human.
Rosaline, stop wasting your time and your energy talking to this useless boy of yours. God knows I have done what I'm supposed to do for him. He will probably end up like a criminal. They will shoot him and kill him. Don't waste your time. Leave him and go where you want to go. I don't even know why God punished me by giving me only one son. And he happened to be useless one at that matter.
Anapa, here, listen. One thing is that you people forget the name of this boy. His name is Ini Edo, which means kind heart. I think he has it too.
Which one?
Your son.
Don't you think Afamani needs to come here? I want to boost him on
what he needs is caution and advice. I will do my best as a friend. I will call him to a corner and advise him. I assure you, he is going to change to a better person. and become like his mates.
Akide, please perform the miracle.
He will change.
Perform the miracle, let me see.
Leave me alone. See, let me tell you, I don't like what they are doing to me in this family. Don't worry, I must make it in this community. And you will boast about me in this community as your son.
Mpoto, Mpom.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Why are you talking to your father like that? Eh? How can you be talking to a man that is your father and you are rising like a bread inside the oven? He's your father, you should recognize that.
Leave him. Obiedo, stop dreaming. Wake up, Obiedo. If it is time of the errand, I could have sold it very cheap.
You want to sell him to Puerto Rico people?
Anybody that will buy it.
How much?
Even Poland.
Uh-huh.
Eh?
We are discussing something when we
you have scattered the whole thing. Miracle, you will be a big boy.
Anapacho.
On a leak, Igwe.
Anapacho.
Igwe, on a leak.
Anapacho.
On a leak.
How many times did I call you?
Igwe, how many times did I answer you?
You are causing trouble in this my road.
Who is giving trouble? Me and Apache. Igwe, I am bringing peace, not trouble.
How do you bring peace? People see you parading Akede.
A point of correction, Igwe. Prince Akede. Put it, Prince.
Stop from parading Akede as a prince in this road.
Igwe, you are blending the whole thing for Anapacho. This is not the reason why we call him here. We call Anapacho here purposely to tell him before him that he should stop parading Akede as the prince of this kingdom. Or else we banish him from this town. That is the reason.
Oh, who will you banish? It's you that God will banish. Igwe, have you told your cabinet member what your late brother told you? That he had a son. That when he died, you should go and look for his son and bring him to take over where he stopped. But because of your greediness, you did not do it. Now, God has went and looked for his son and bring him back.
You are causing trouble in this my road. If you are drunk, go to where drunkards stay. If you are mad, go to where mad people stay. I don't want rubbish. I hereby ban you.
Do not. Yes. No.
Banish who? God has already banished you of you people.
You will see.
You say you are equal to know, but you are equal trouble.
God!
Which guy?
You will see.
You, I don't know. God will banish you. You come on, will banish you.
hope you are ready to do the scorpion dance.
Please have mercy. Please. Yes. Please. I'm ready to pay you whatever. Please.
Oh, you will pay us?
Yes, please.
You will pay?
Yes, I will. Carry.
Onyene manyo ae. Onyene manyo ifa. Onyene manyo ae. Onyene manyo ifa.
If you watch now, there is a problem. All these VG men, they are really after us. They are monitoring us bumper to bumper. So I suggest for now, let's just pipe low for now.
Ini Edo, Uche, I'm tired of this village. Like seriously, I'm tired of this village. The three of us, we have to go to the city. If we go there, even if it's keke, okada, boss, anything, you'll be doing and be earning living now. I'm tired of this village. I don't just like things here anymore. Seriously.
Your idea is very good, but how do we travel? I know you don't have. Do you have? Me, I don't have at all. So how do we travel?
Well, that one is not a big deal. We will sort things out to see how to raise the car. Because I believe, okay, goat meat will buy goat from us. Yes. So that we can use the money and travel.
It's a good idea. Guy. Yes. Guy. Right now, let's go now. Then.
Onyene manyo ae. Onyene manyo ifa. Onyene manyo ae. Onyene manyo ifa. Obine manyo, chopin manyo, utene manyo, ajumo bodanyo.
Stop him!
Obine manyo,
chopin manyo. What are we waiting for?
Utene manyo, ajumo bodanyo aye.
I can't leave him. Let them take him to palace.
Please, what did he do? Why is he being tied? What is it? What did he do? Tell me.
What he did? You are asking me what he did.
You are asking what he
tell him what he did.
We saw Obiajo with a stolen goat.
Stolen goat?
Yes.
How?
He's a criminal.
Tell me the truth. What will happen to him now? And is he alone in this?
Mbo, tell her. No, he's not alone in this. We are suspecting Uche and Chopinson also. We've gone to their house but we couldn't find them. But we must fetch them. Do you hear it? Anapacho. I think I've been telling you about this your son, Ini Edo. How this boy has been disturbing this town. He is a criminal, a thief. Onyori. Ana want Tiano, Ebu fish.
Okay, if he's not this useless son of mine, will you be talking to me? Woman, follow them. Okay.
Oh yeah,
let's go.
Well, let us.
I can't believe them. Let's go.
Excuse me. This case, if we will take the final decision on it, you can go. Oh yeah, carry him to the woman. Follow them.
Leave my son for me, I'm begging you.
Carry him, go.
uche na-emanyo ajụmụ obodo anyị ayem obi na-emanyo shopping si na-emanyo uche na-emanyo ajụmụ obodo anyị ayem.
Have you checked him in the Igwe's palace?
Yes, he's not there. I've gone to the Igwe palace. He's not there. How can I see him?
Oh, no problem.
There is a very big problem.
What happened?
This boy, you know Anna Pachuwa's son, Ini Edo.
Ini Edo, the criminal?
Yes, he has escaped.
Hey! How? Why?
I went to where he was kept. By the time I got there, my boys has gone out on patrol. Lo and behold, is no longer there. And I am suspecting those his friends, that Uche and Chopinson. I believe that they have a hand in this.
You better look for him, or my father will be very, very angry with you people. You better go and look for him.
That is why I have come to tell him. Please, tell him I came to look for him, that this is what is happening. But I have sent out my boys to go in search of him, to get him either dead or alive.
You better do, you better do.
Please, when your father comes, tell me where I'm at.
Can you imagine? Simple work people cannot do. They will be paying you people and yet you cannot do anything. Wow.
Good day, my children. You are welcome.
Any reports about my son yet?
Not yet, Lolo. But when we were interrogating your driver, he said that one of the kidnappers asked your son if he can dance the dragon dance. No, the scorpion dance.
Please, my children, do whatever possible to see you save my son. Yes. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Look, I am not going to leave you empty. I will satisfy you. I will make you happy. Do you hear me? Yes. That was just a business misunderstanding. Eh? So, if you do it, I'm going to grease your hands and make you happy.
Your Highness, have the kidnappers contacted you for any ransom?
No, they haven't.
They haven't.
We're even waiting for them to make some demands so that we know what to do. They've not said anything.
They haven't. They haven't said anything. Do whatever you can to save myself. You hear me? Yes. You know how generous I am. Put your eyes inside the water and fish out whoever or wherever they are. I don't know. I don't have much here. But just go with this. Don't take care of yourself for now.
Yes,
yes? Thank you.
You can do whatever.
Do a good job. A job you know how to do well. Do it perfectly well this time around. Thank you.
Is it not better that I join you for this palm wine tavern? Okay, you can go. When you come back now, we can go.
You will not join me. The next thing will be, how will you join me? How will you join me?
I don't know why if you are even dreaming. How can you say that I will become the next thing? Are you sure that this man will even exit from that seat? He will not come down from that seat.
Yeah, the God will soon kill the Swaga Igbo and you make me a no. Here you will be Igbo no.
Well, if you come back, I will join you to go and sell.
No, you will join me to go and sell. But let's wait when I come back. It's like you like this wine walk.
Papo.
Who is Papo?
Are you no longer Papo Video?
I'm not Papo. What is wrong with you? Who is Papo? I don't even, where did you even get that boy from?
You're not Papo Video. Your only son is missing and you're here laughing. Gallivanting everywhere. Acting as if everything is well. What is it? Your only son is missing. You don't even know if he has eaten or if he's alive or not. And you're here, excited, relaxed, like nothing is happening. Papo, what is it? Let me tell you, in case you don't know, people are laughing behind you. They're laughing at you.
Rosaline, go and tell people that are laughing behind me. They should watch their back. People are crying for them. Nonsense. Were you not here when I was talking to that boy? When I want to kill me before my time? No, I did not kill my parents. I wish you is a baby boy. I'm okay.
Papa.
Don't papa me.
I know he has been bad, but please let's look for him now. Look at his friend that stole the goat with him. They are back and went to Igbo and chiefs to beg for forgiveness. Please now let's look for him now.
I thought I told you that this man will not agree. Look at it now.
Rosa, listen, there's a way men do it. There's a way men do it. Don't worry, just calm down. I'm going to talk to him. He will agree.
Please do.
Anabachi, the boy in question is your son. You should look for him. It will make sense if you go and look for him.
Akede, when I come back, I will look into what you are talking about. For now, let me go. That boy will kill me, Akede. Akede, wait. Let me come. Akede, let me come. Let me.
Holiday. Hey guys, good evening. How is it going?
Good.
You know me?
You're asking us if we know you. So you made us chase you all through the night, go to that bush, and get ourselves injured. Mbo, look at you.
I believe you don't know me, and I don't know you people. I believe someone must have paid you people to kidnap me. Please, I'm ready to pay you whatever.
Shut up! If I want to slap, you are paying who? Do you have money? No, let me ask you, do you have money? You want to pay us after stealing a goat, and you made away with that goat. If not that our swagger Igbo that have forgiven you, I swear. After all, your father has been looking for who will kill you. Look at you. You want to pay us. Listen to me. Look at my face. No, check me very well. I'm not joking. You see these two eyes? I'm closing it. It's already closed. Now, before I open these two eyes, I swear down. I swear. Which way do I take, please? I will waste you. Hey! Igwe, if not for you. Kai! One!
I tell you the truth. I don't know where he is. And even I do. I would have gone since to go and tell him that our swagger Igwe have forgiven us. I don't know. We were thinking that he have left for a city to live a better life. That was why we stole the goat. To raise money for him to go to the city to start up a new life.
And you know, Obi is a sharp boy. He will come home now a big boy.
Look, two of you, if you people don't want to tell me anything reasonable, we are talking about a man only son, and you are here telling me coke and boo story. Oh yeah, two of you get out before I remember how you people take the pot of my rice and get up and wine. Eat and rank.
I know that. These boys, the way they act, in fact, their mannerism indicates that they know the right amount of it.
Please, I'm begging the person. If you see your friend, don't be alone. Tell him, and even his father too has forgiven him.
Me, Rosalie, when you go, tell him to come home. I have forgiven him. But get out before.
My God will punish those people 10 times. He will punish all their families. Look at how unkept you are. Eh? Who knows the last time you had a decent meal? Eh? Now. Eh? Now you look at the way my son is. My son. Look at how he is. You're welcome. This is good. You are a great man. Yes, he is.
I'm proud of you. You have proven yourself a man indeed. Eh? To have escaped that scorpion dance cage. You are a man. I'm proud of you. Eh? At least now, Ekimi will know the family he is dealing with. Very good.
Igbo Chief Ikimi. But don't tell me you know the people that kidnapped him. And you did or said nothing. Eh? Look at how unkempt he is. Only the gods know when he will come out of this shock.
Calm down, Lord. I will brief you. I will tell you what happened. I will tell you how they kidnapped him and why. You hear me? Calm down. Obi, go in there now. Freshen up yourself and remove this rag that you're putting on. Go!
People updates, no? Please, sir, where can I freshen up?
He's still in shock. He's still in shock. how do you do things? Eh? Where can I see hotel here and lodge? My God. Wow.
Look at him. Abby.
I get it. You must be the Ijoma this girl said she was going to call, right?
What is wrong with you? What did he do to you now?
He just tied me in a bush, so I got a chance and ran away.
I'm confused. Does it mean you don't know who you are or where you are?
I know who I am, but where I am is what I don't know.
Who are you?
I'm the crown prince Obiajulu Obiechina of Ezi Lumesh Kingdom.
Really? Now listen. I am Princess Ijoma Opalele, the next queen of Umalo.
Wow, nice. I didn't know you are royalty. Wow, great. Please, could you help me take me to your dad so that he can contact my father? They don't know where I am right now. Please.
That's okay indeed. Go to home, or don't you know your house?
Please, I don't know anywhere. I don't know anywhere here.
Okay. Since you don't know anywhere to go, I said let's go.
Rosalini! 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 Where is the food that I asked you to bring? Eh? Almost I go and bath in the yacht again before I eat. I bath this morning, so bring the food out. Eh? Okay, only one more. I can't see.
Take it. Your wife will bring it.
Which you open hotel, you guys are eating the hotel now. Good, bring the food now. Old one. Now it's rice.
Ah! You're welcome, my boy. Look at the way you're well dressed. You're welcome, my son. Can't you see your boy?
Obiedo, who give you this coat you are wearing? Did you steal it there? You must steal it because you are good at that.
Who are these men? The other one appears welcoming, and the other one rude. I thought you said you were taking me to my place.
This is your house. That one that looks rude is your father. But the other one that looks welcoming is this town's crown prince, and he is the Igbo in waiting. Good night, sir.
Rosalini! Rosalini! Come here! Come, bro, come. Rosalie, look at your son wearing coat. He's not a big boy. He said he will come as a big boy when he returns.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Are you not happy? Obi.
Did you ask him where he still the coat? He said yes, sir.
Come inside, don't mind your father.
Where are you going? Inside.
To the house, come in.
You should be happy yourself.
Be happy for what? You know where he collected the coat?
Doctor, please, what is wrong with you?
Your Highness, your son is normal. Your son is okay. Just that he has, it seems that he has lost his memory.
is a result of probably where he was kept. But for your son, I've examined him. He's not right.
Doctor, but the first doctor that examined him, that tested him, said that he was suffering from post-traumatic syndrome, PTS.
PTS?
Yes. So please, doctor, please. How can he get out of this situation, please? I mean, what can you do to please save him from this problem of scorpion dance? That is what I'm talking about.
Igwe, please stop mentioning that devilish cult. Doctor, how long will it take for him to recover? How long?
Just give him a little time. All he needs is take him to those places he's familiar with. Those his friends and workplaces where he loves to go. With this, within a short time, he will recover. He will come back to his normal senses. Please.
Oh, this little time is what I don't like. Give me a specific time. Little time. This one called little time. I don't like little time. Little time is no time. That is my point. I am looking at my son dying and you are giving me little time.
At this point, please,
Do something now. Please, this boy needs to recover. Do something.
My brain, just calm down. Everything will be normal. Just do as I say. Give him time. He will be fine. And that's my assurance. He will be fine.
Wow. Where am I? Where am I? How come? How come am I here? Man, who are these way? Who are these games that are calling me their son? Who are they? They call me their son, but I don't know them. Are you sure I'm not there? No, I must be dead. I died yesterday night, but today I'm inside heaven. But the Bible says that those that sin will go to hell. But how come am I in heaven? Ah, see thousands and one people worshiping me. If I'm passing, they'll be bowing before me, they'll be bowing before me. I eat a lot of delicious things. People will come and serve me. They'll come and serve me. They'll come and wake me up in my room. If I go to the toilet, they will flush it. After sleeping, they'll come and arrange my bed. Enjoying life. Enjoying life, man. Whereas where I was coming out for, I don't have paid. Hey! Oh, heaven is good, man. Heaven is good. I love this.
You know you have been a good boy, eh? So keep it up, eh? So you people have refused to be useful to yourself. I thought you people say you are going to city to be useful to yourself. What are you people still doing here? Obi, don't waste much time with them. Go home, quick.
Guys, what's up? Are you asking us what's up? You've been avoiding us all this while. We are supposed to be the one to ask you what's up. Why have you been avoiding us? Huh? We are waiting for you here because we know that once you go in, you will not come outside. Why? Uche, that one is not even the main cocoa. The main cocoa is that this boy have changed. As in from A to Z, the guy have changed. Do you know Obi now goes to the stream with Uju? Now goes to the farm with his father just that they are coming back now. Okay, but watch now. Why I'm angry now is that my mother insulted me because of this guy. This Obi Edo, my mother insulted. She said I should just go and still go again. That this time I should even allow them to catch me so that I can change like him. No, being a fuck up. You are fucking up. You are just fucking. You just forgot your guys now. It's also Uche and Toppenson. The G unit to see. One thing that pains me now is the way he avoids us. Are you angry with us? Because we were not there for you when you needed us. Don't be angry. Sorry, we are sorry. Thank you very much because you didn't call our name. That time they caught you. We are very happy. Thank you very much. But please, you need to come around. Let's go hang out. And also, we heard that Igbo is very sick. We need to go and see him. Please.
You are chopping some, right?
Are you asking me?
And you are chopping, right? Good. Very good friends. Now, I want to warn both of you. You people have bad names in this village. You people need to change. You need to change your life, change your attitude. Live a good life. So that when your parents see you, they will be happy. Don't be a prodigal son. Change. Give your life a new meaning. So that you become somebody tomorrow. Change. Change.
Come back here. Are you mad? Uche, leave him now. Have you lost your senses? This is Obi. This is Obi the terror. Even you.
Now let me warn you. Never you again in your life try this.
But we'll become now.
Leave him to go now. Allow him to go.
Wow, why is this guy going to do like this now? Isn't that Obi again?
No.
You go.
The other day we were in council meeting. Raised a question which I could not answer immediately. The question was whether my late brother, the Igbo, had a son. He had no son. I cannot tell you he had a son. How can he have a son and I am sitting on this throne? You know, Anna Pacho was maternal home. It's from a women. And you know they are enemy.
Yes.
It is possible they are using him to foment trouble. There's no way you will allow such a thing. We cannot allow that boy to claim this throne. You must fight with all your might to forestall their evil plan. I trust you.
All you have said are truth. Quite clear. I can understand it well. I know that Anna Apachuwa, Sumatana home is in the kingdom. And let me tell you, it is true there are the people supporting him to come and all this katakata in our kingdom. But I want to tell you, they cannot achieve anything.
You know, if they take me out of this throne, your position as the unknown is finished. You must fight to subdue them.
Igwe, nobody will do it in this kingdom. Consider that your request done. I must fight it to the last. Nobody will unseat you from this throne. You know that boy, Akede. Just down. Shoot him down. Your money is down.
Believe me, one thing must kill him out.
What do we do? We failed to tell us that his late brother has a son. He never told us. Anyway, guide. Go and tell Usafuwa. Ask him to run to this palace right now. Let him not waste time. Go. You, go to Kekiko. Tell him to come to this palace right now. There's problem in the palace. You, go to that gate. Immediately those people come in. Close that gate. No other person should come into this palace. Do that quick. I've told you that a kid must marry before he be crowned a king.
Why must he marry?
Go and tell him to marry.
Must he marry before he become a king?
We cannot give a bachelor a king.
Who tell you that he's a bachelor? It has to be happen. It will happen.
We cannot turn our tradition upside down.
Okafosu, you have been turning tradition of this land upside down since ever I know you.
I have told you, and this what I said.
Why must Akidi own now be a problem?
He's a bachelor. He cannot be a king. Go and tell him. You go and tell him.
I always know you as a wicked man. You have never wanted him.
I want him, but you must.
God has punished you, and you will soon go down.
Yes, we have agreed that he will be king, but he must marry.
You have agreed.
We agreed. We agreed. But he
Thank
must
God you have agreed.
On condition that he must marry.
Which condition?
Go and marry a wife for him. Go and ask him immediately, within a short time before.
Oh, careful. Let me tell you, all your plan will fail.
Some other people are eyeing that seat. So be careful. But why? Why? Who is that? Who next? Why this boy? As long as I'm here, you know, for this period.
Igwe and Lord has gone abroad. And the reports I am getting about your activities in the palace is more than we can take. When you were born, this kingdom, the Zulime kingdom, celebrated. There was jubilation because a successor to the throne was born. You excelled in everything. But now, I don't know what is wrong with you. There are certain behaviors that we expect from you as a crown prince. But since you came back after you were kidnapped, your behavior has totally changed. In fact, everybody, the kingdom doesn't know what is wrong with you. The chief guard came to my place and told me that you got 3 maidens pregnant. 3 maidens. That is an abomination. A sacrilege. Well, I have asked the 3 maidens and they have owned up. The land must be cleansed. So for cleansing this land, first thing tomorrow morning I'll be here. You will go with me to the village, where Ezemo will look at you, study you and know what is wrong with you. Then you will now perform the cleansing of the land before the Igwe and Lolo will come back. And from now on, you should be very, very careful. Prepare.
I can't do this. No. Because if I should go, they will know that I am not the rightful prince. That I am not meant to be here. It will become a career statement.
Cunning man. If you become an Olu when I am here, then we have you as a member of the cabinet. He will unseat you.
You did not know Uzwabonga. Do you know that he's the one that collected land from you today? That's what we have been fighting for now. That's why I said when you become Igwe, we are going to
Where are you?
Where did you get these clothes? Obiedo, you went farm with your mother. What is happening here? Akidi, you always wanted to. You said you have changed.
Where did you get this? Let it not be that this boy went to steal somebody's clothes.
You say you have changed. Maybe you.
Where is your mother?
To start thieving again.
Where is your mom? Where is your sister?
Akidi, you always wanted to be a king. He always wanted to be a king. I think when he come, everything.
He has gone to steal somebody's clothes.
Okay, are you still thieving?
What am I saying here? Hey! What is happening here?
Who are you?
Who are you? I'm Prince Obiajo, the son of Ezora, king of Ezimile.
Shut up! Akidi, you always wanted to be a prince.
What is happening here?
I ran to this place and the people accepted me. I tried to explain that I'm not Ini Edo, but you people refused. What you are wearing is my clothes. You are wearing my clothes.
Rosalie, can you explain what is happening here? Charlene, talk now, doctor. I think the doctor. Doctor.
The doctor at the hospital, he said, he told me that I have twins, I am carrying twins. Then he now said that Lolo is looking for a baby boy that will represent Igbo in case he passes on. So they need me to give one out. So I now made a deal with Lolo, you know, and doctor now impregnated Lolo.
Hey! Lolo. The doctor pregnanted Lolo. Eh?
Not that way, not that way.
You said the way. Everybody must hear this.
He's not that kind of pregnancy.
Which other way can a woman get pregnant?
He injected her.
Injection is injection from front or back.
Anywhere's injection.
You know how Igbo people.
He injected her. Stop telling him. Tell us what happened here.
I know how to get a woman pregnant.
You know, that time we had no money. Things were very tough. I thought about it and I knew that there was no way you could give birth. I could give birth to the children and you can feed all of us. So I decided to give Lola. It was not rice. Can I know me go? I hold the chocolate.
I hold her. Yeah, I hold her.
A bag of rice and other things that
because of bag of rice, you throw away the penalty that I pray well and use one for throwing. And for the look, I usually brought the useless one for me and give the good one away.
I wouldn't like after all these stories here, you will be my father. I won't even accept it.
You will never even be my son because I already have a son. Good one. Come, Akede. Huh? Go and tell let me go and call his own people. Because, see, Akede, go and call them and say, come call them. Let me go and call my in-laws. He was a daddy well. No, who will not go? Akede, go back. Let me go. Look, Akede,
Now stop crying. Please, I have to go down. Don't worry, I'll talk to my
Stop this now. It has not gotten to this level. You should go and involve.
Because of our rice.
Yes, one bag of rice.
Do you know the way I play the game?
Listen.
That he carried the good one, throw away. Akede, no.
Let's go back.
Why do you run away from the palace? My body is a very long story. I know you should, but you have a bad name in this village. I mean, your character was nothing. No one talks about you. But it's alright.
You should be very thankful. Now, let me tell you something. One thing you have to understand is that Obiedo may be doing what he's doing because his twin brother was not there. Now his twin brother is back. You will see him change his attitude. Let's
At least I have seen my home. I have seen my mom. Are you getting me? It's alright. I love you, Mom.
Let's go back.
If not because of Onogu, if not because of Onogu,
you already have
that woman,
you should be thankful to God.
No, Akede, let me just believe you. I believe you.
Nemo biko fichanya miri, wanemo chukuga goziregi, emenenu. Emenana ihe Chukwu dere bụ na ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma.
Even this town, as a whole, they know him very well.
You don't need to tell me.
Very good. Look at what he achieved a lot. Do you know why your uncle never wanted you to come back alive? Even when your father told him he has a son. When you look at the properties,
this is an edifice. It befits the palace of a king.
What are you saying?
You know, when you were telling me that finally, I will be crowned a king, I never took it serious.
You never believed me.
But now it is revealed and it is happening. You can see it.
You know, everybody believes I'm a drunkard. And apart you want a league. But I know what I'm communicating with spiritual.
Oh no. And apart you.
You made it to be possible.
Yes.
Give me 3 now.
Yeah, can I leave it? You want me to give you?
You made me know now.
You want me to give you a handshake?
You made me when I'm close to you now. Oh no.
You want me? I get the amoka. Igwe Ochudo nke Bua to give you a handshake.
Igwe Ochudo, you are the one that make me know. Let me take it now. I am inside now.
Now let us talk again. When are you bringing back my wife? I am supposed to be with my Lolo. You people have gone for her. Bring her home.
Igwe Ochudo nke Bua.
That is me.
I know. You are planning not to be sleeping alone. I know you like to bring that pino. Your mind has been there. But let's think of it. We have done the whole arrangement.
I know.
I will soon. We have finished everything. No? He will soon come. So you will not be sleeping alone again.
We are discussing inside. You told me she will soon come. In the next 2 days. I am an Apache. Bring my wife home.
Igwe Ochudo, willingly. Tomorrow you will be here. But Igwe Ochudo, this my wife. Marry second one.
An Apache. Oh no, an Apache.
Igwe.
I am in good terms with your wife. In fact, your family is like my family. How do you expect me to support this your idea of bringing a new wife? A second wife?
Igwe Ochudo, you will support me. I need good thing. That criminal with that woman, they will kill you.
Onyene manyo ae, onyene manyo ifa, onyene manyo ae, onyene manyo ifa, obi ne manyo, chopping si ne manyo, uche ne manyo, ajumo bodanyo ayem, obi ne manyo, chopping si ne manyo, uche ne manyo. Ajumo bodanyo ayem Haburu rice arisha Haburu manya wocha Haburu fe Harachasa ya tupu poto na kokonachi Uwa muna chimo aye Uwa muna chimo aye Uwa muna chimo aye Uwa muna chimo aye Anapachuwa onelikio Anapachi Obukwo tenku aye Obukwo ngunku aye Onekwu eziokwu gwa Igwe obodo anyị aye Igwe Suwaga aye Igwe obodo anyị aye Igwe Suwaga aye Anapachi Obukwo tenku aye Obukwo ngunku